Making a perfect study timetable is a great way of becoming organized, feeling motivated, and encouraged to get your work done to the best of your potential.
Give you my heart.
In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all a best perfect study timetable routine with minimal stress. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin with the morning routine. 6 a.m. Try to make a good habit of waking up early in the morning. Next, make your bed. Making your bed is the first core of the day. It often increases productivity. Next step is to drink 1 or 2 glasses of water in an empty stomach. It helps to flush toxins from your body. Next, do some stretches, as it helps to improve your posture and tighten those muscles. Then play your favorite music and fresh up. 6:30 a.m. Revise everything that you have studied the last night before, or study your hard subject. In the morning, our mind is fresh, so we can understand any topic easily. 7:30 a.m. to 8 o'clock. Have a healthy breakfast and get ready for your school. Till 2:30 p.m. or 3 p.m. I hope that you all may return home back. 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Eat your lunch and relax. 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Do your homework, complete your notes, or read your textbooks. 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Go to play outside or do some physical activities and enjoy your break time. 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Do your self-study with 10 minutes break in between. Read and study your difficult, medium and easy subjects. 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Break time. Get a light dinner and relax. 9:30 p.m. to 9:50 p.m. Before your bedtime, do a quick revision on what all topics you have studied. 10 o'clock, go to sleep. Things to remember. First, plan enough time for studying each subject. First, write down all your subjects. Next, identify your most difficult subject, then medium subject, and your most favorite or easy subjects. Next step, plan how much time you need to study for each subject. For your hard and difficult subject, you have to spend 1 or 2 hours every day. And for your medium and easier subjects, spend 1 hour or 45 minutes. Number 2. Know the syllabus. Writing down the syllabus of each subject helps you to make a better study plan for yourself. Also, you will get to know the number of topics and chapters that needs to be completed in the entire session. Number 3. Give time for breaks. Take 5 to 10 minutes break every hour after completing your studies. It is also important to eat well and sleep well. If you find any difficulty in creating your own study timetable, you can take help from this video and adjust the timings and routines according to your wish. For more awesome videos, subscribe to Be Creative and Artistic and press that bell icon for my latest new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.